I see this question on Reddit all the time, so today I'm going to show you what you can learn after the 3-ball cascade. Of course, this is just my opinion, and every juggler will tell you something slightly different, but there are a few things that most people agree on. At the end of the video, I'll tell you what my ultimate recommendation is. The first step is to build your fundamental skills. Make sure that you have good form when juggling the 3-ball cascade. You should be able to throw the balls to a consistent height, you shouldn't have to reach all over the place, and you should be able to wait for the balls to fall down instead of reaching up your hands to catch them. I know it can be kind of boring, but it's really important to get the basics down. Next, you can learn some good beginner tricks like juggler's tennis, 2 balls in 1 hand, and 4-2-3. Conveniently, I have a playlist that has tutorials for all the tricks I think beginners should know. I consider these tricks to be fundamental because they're the basis of many other tricks. For instance, 2 balls in 1 hand is the basis for 4 balls.
4-2-3 is the basis of Burke's Barrage and takeouts.
You can also learn other beginner tricks like under the leg and body bounces, which aren't fundamental, but they do look really cool. After you have the fundamentals down, the next step is to explore. There are a ton of different tricks and styles that you can learn.
You can learn intermediate ball juggling tricks like Mills Mess and the shower.
Conveniently, I also have a playlist for that.
You can also learn how to juggle different props like bounce juggling balls, rings, and clubs.
Bounce juggling is about as hard as using regular juggling balls. Rings are a little bit harder, and clubs, at least for me, were significantly harder. After that, you can learn advanced tricks like 5 balls and the shuffle. There's also an amazing flowchart made by this Reddit user that shows different paths of tricks to explore. Link in the description below. You can also try out clay motion, which is a type of toss juggling that has lots of starts and stops, but you do it really fast so it looks continuous. Some people get super into exploring different site swap tricks. Some people really like numbers juggling, where you try to juggle as many objects as possible. There are other types of juggling you can explore, like poi, flower stick/devil stick, and others. I'll also leave a list of other types of juggling in the description, so you can check them out on Google or YouTube if you're interested. My ultimate recommendation is to do whatever's most fun and interesting to you. No type of juggling is better than the other. I personally really don't like numbers juggling, and I work on other stuff, and that's fine. Some people really love numbers juggling and they don't work on 3-ball tricks. Everything is fine, just do whatever is most fun to you. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all of that. I will see you next week with another juggling video. Keep juggling and have fun.